Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the crypto world in 2025 and need to transfer your USDC from a Ledger Nano X to Crypto.com, you're in the right spot. This process is secure and straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. Whether you're a beginner or just want a quick refresh, let's dive in. First off, why do this? USDC is a stablecoin that's great for holding value, and moving it to Crypto.com can give you access to more trading options or rewards. Before we start, ensure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the latest firmware, some USDC in your wallet, and a verified Crypto.com account. Oh, and always double check for any 2025 updates to apps or regulations. Crypto evolves fast. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on the device, since USDC is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Step 2. On your computer, launch Ledger Live or a compatible wallet interface. This will let you interact with your Ledger securely. Step 3. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet, select USDC, and choose the deposit option. You'll get a unique wallet address. Copy it carefully to avoid any errors. Step 4. Back on Ledger Live, select your USDC account. Enter the amount you want to transfer, paste the Crypto.com address, and review the details like fees and network. It should be Ethereum. Step 5. Hit send on your computer, then confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by checking the screen and pressing the buttons. This adds an extra layer of security. Once the transaction is broadcast, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to show up, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. Your USDC is now on Crypto.com. Remember, always transfer a small test amount first if you're unsure. If you run into issues, check for 2025 specific updates or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.